Hey everybody, this is a three-wheeler guy. Today I'm going to be doing a bike check on my 2012 Fit Atkin bike. Well, the frame is a 2012 Fit Atkin with a Fit FAF fat tires. Those are stock with the Lineman stock rims and stock stem with the 4-bolt too. But these are Shadow Conspiracy Volts handlebars with ODI long neck grips, and then stock pedals for it and cranks, and everything's pretty much stock. The back tire is the same as the front. Stock seat. I do have KMC chain in white, and I think it's a 25-2 sprocket. So yeah, but in a couple days I'm going to be ordering some new parts from Dan's Comp. I'm going to be ordering some new ODI bar ends, maybe some new pedals, new seat, a new seat post, and then some new head spacers. But yeah, alright, thanks a lot guys. Please like, subscribe, comment. Alright, thanks.